dear members of the admission committee. My name is Andrei Molchanov, and I want to submit my application to start Executive MBA in September 2018. And since I am aware of the new admission provisions with the videos and unprepared actions, I just decided to make this video unprepared too, to be in line with them and to show myself a bit. Yeah, so that is how it is. So now I would search just one of the questions that I still haven't responded yet in the 2 essays that I have already prepared, and will try to discuss it from my point of view. Okay, so I have a variety of them. I think I would take the H. What do you believe are the greatest challenges facing the sector of industry you would like to specialize in at IE? What role do you hope to be able to play in the sector or industry in the medium term? So the biggest problem I see in the pharmaceutical industry that I came from is the amount of risks for the big pharmaceutical companies that really do clinical research and search for new active ingredients, for new active substances, and the payoff of all these efforts. It is also a problem of ethics, I think. So it cannot be that it can be really true that for orphan drug that is only useful in a small variety of patients, but that really need this product, the costs are so high that normal people cannot afford themselves this product. So if we speak about new genetic medicinal products used in some eye diseases, 2 flasks cost so about, I don't know, about 1 million euros, and it is not really the way it should go. So I think the biggest challenge is to make development of new active substances in the first line of new antibiotics, since we all know the resistances against antibiotics are quite widespread now, and they will spread broader. So I think we will face a problem in 10 to 20 years that we have no active or no efficient antibiotics anymore. So that forces us as big pharma to invest money and to find new active substances. The biggest problem and the biggest challenges is to cooperate and to discuss it with high authorities of the European Union, with the highest authorities of the United States, I mean the Food and Drug Administration, the way these new developments can really be manageable. But even in this regard, one should consider also the rest of the world. So the patent rights are quite strict now. The products are being developed normally in the United States or in Europe, and practically seen, we face the problem that, for example, if we take medicinal products against, I don't know, rheumatic diseases, they are quite efficient. They can be really life-changing, but they're not affordable in countries as Kazakhstan or Russia I came from. And so people are really dying without getting the medicines that they have to have. In the middle term, if I manage what I really want to manage, I want to act as a global pharmaceutical consultancy player, to either from the side of my own company, so I just want to integrate my own company in some bigger structure, so I want to develop it not alone but within a holding structure, or just as a person, as a professional, as a healthcare professional. I hope to find a way to just strengthen the communication between nations, between health authorities of different nations, between big pharma and pharmaceutical associations and the governments, just to find a way to reduce the costs, to find a way to reduce the administrative burden, to enhance the processes that are now conducted manually or without involvement of highly technological IT solutions. For example, if we speak about adverse reactions, I think much can be done in this sphere. So we have to reduce the burden, we have to enhance the efficacy of the pharmaceutical administration, and we have to provide clearness to big pharma and to the governments how the cooperation can be conducted to mutual advantage. So this is the problem that we all have to solve. Since the world is changing, the diseases are changing, and people just need new medicinal products to cover not only the deadliest diseases that we can manage pretty good nowadays, but also the diseases that are problems of not so many, but that really make people that are unfortunate enough to have them, that they make them to invalids. So it can be true that nothing can be done, or even if something can be done against it, it can be done for the money that can be paid. So I think this is a bit also an ethical appeal, and it is the sphere where I can and I will to act in the following maybe 10 to 15 years. Thank you.